Hello, my dear children. I hope you all are doing good at your homes. Today, in this video, we are going to start revision of lesson number 9 as we have completed our syllabus. Okay, so first I'll give you an overview of that chapter and then I'll be giving you one test paper that you have to fill or complete in your fair notebook under the observation of your parents. Okay. So this is our chapter and it is about two sisters, okay, Patty Jean and Penny Jean. And we studied that Penny was physically disabled, okay. She used to sit on the wheelchair, and that is why Patty Jean called her sister Princess, okay, because her no all the works were done by others because she was physically disabled. This is what we studied in that chapter. All right. And we studied that sometimes Patty Jean felt like what a wonderful life her sister is having. So one day she got a chance to sit on that chair whom she calls throne. Okay. So she used to feel most of the times that why she's not having the same life as her sister is having. So one day she got the chance to sit on that throne, on that wheelchair. Okay. And she started moving, and when she started sitting on that, and when she started moving that wheelchair, first she found that wheelchair that her arms started aching, that it is really difficult to move that wheelchair with the hands. Understood? And again, one more thing she realized, that people started making fun of her. Okay, so it was not at all funny. So whatever time, uh, she was sitting on that particular throne, and she faced rain also in between. You can see in that picture, kids are making fun, and when grown-ups also, when they saw Patty Jean on that particular wheelchair, they started, getting aside, and they thought, let her go smoothly. So she thought that it is really really embarrassing, it is really really bad. And when she felt rain on the way, and the whole means the wheels of that chair got stuck into the mud, and it was really difficult for her to manage that time. And then she came back home after some time, and her parents were waiting for her, they were searching her, they were worried about her. And then when she came back and they asked that we were really really worried about you, then she realized, and she asked that she thought that you were worried about the wheelchair of her sister. Then she realized that her parents loves her a lot. It's not like they only love who, only Penny, right? So that day onwards, she started having more care. She realized her mistakes, she started thinking about her sister differently. This is what we studied in this chapter, and it is a very good lesson also for everybody, that we should not make fun of physically disabled people. And if they can't do something by their own, we are supposed to help them in each and every work. So students, first we will revise all the word meanings. You can see here, first one is throne. So throne means a special chair where a king or queen sits. Next one is astle, a passage between rows of shelves in a supermarket. Okay, means from where we cross from one area to another. Then braces, a device that supports weak parts of the body. Okay. Yes. And do you remember that Patty Jean wanted to go to a school trip with her friends, but she couldn't go because her parents wanted to buy new braces for Penny's leg, right? So next one is hammock, a type of a bed made from a net or from a piece of strong fiber. Okay, with tops at each end. that are used to hang it between two trees, post, etc. Okay, next turn the page. Steep. Next one is steep. Rising or falling quickly, not gradually. Next one is sidewalk, a pavement on the side of the road which pedestrians used to walk. Next, turn the page. This one more fill up. Word meaning is there. That is mess up. Mess up means to spoil something or do it badly. Okay. So, student, other exercises I hope you all have revised and you all have completed also. So to check your knowledge, how much you have learned from this chapter and how much you have prepared for exams, I have prepared one test paper for you. You all have to complete this test paper in your fair notebook, okay? But you are not supposed to cheat from anywhere, okay? So what you have to do, in first question, you all have to means put a cross or a tick whether the statement is correct or wrong, okay? So these are the tick wrong. Next one, you all have to write the meanings of these four words. And there are three questions. That does Petty Jean find it easy to push the wheelchair? How do you know? Okay, I explained each and every question in my previous videos. Next one is, why does Petty want to sit on the throne? Okay, this you have to give B1. Next, what had Petty Jean not, why had Petty Jean not gone to camp like all her other friends? Okay, so these three questions and all other things which are there in this test paper, revision test, please complete in your fair notebook and check how much you have scored in that. Okay, you can take the help of your parents in that. In my next video, I'll be giving you the revision of lesson number 10. So students, study well and take care.